If you have Italian heritage, you know that it's a really big part of your life, and it's a big part of who you are and your identity. We have so much to love about our culture. Amazing food, exquisite art, beautiful operatic songs. But did you know that just by having Italian roots, even if you've never learned the language before, it could make learning Italian that much easier? In this video, I'm going to be describing why your Italian heritage really gives you a one-up and an advantage when it comes to learning Italian. And if you're excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, ciao, mi chiamo Maria. I'm an Italian teacher and founder of the Italian Toolkit Program. And with my Italian heritage, I learned Italian from scratch so I can speak to my cousins over in Italy and feel like I'm a part of the culture when I'm there. Along the way, I've been able to communicate in Italian locally to people as well and make so many more connections. This is going to be a motivating video for sure, so if you need a quick pick-me-up when it comes to learning the language, just keep on watching. Andiamo! Numero uno is that it's a part of you. When you start to learn the language, you're learning it not just because it's cool and not just because it's fun, because you could learn any language for that reason, but because there's something deeper there. There's a deeper understanding. There's a deeper passion that you have that's inside of you for learning this language. And maybe because you love ancient Roman history, or your relatives speak Italian to this day, or you know people who are speaking Italian in their everyday lives and you want to connect with them. This helps you to persevere when times get hard when learning the language and help you not give up when things get tricky. So believe it or not, having this personal connection alone helps you learn faster because you're not giving up just like that. And it ties you to your roots and deepens your connection with not only the language and Italy itself and the culture, but who you are. In other words, you're fully immersing yourself in the culture and the language and your family. And that's beautiful. And the best part about this too is that you can share not just the language, but that passion for the language with your children and your children's children and for future generations to come. And so we'll never truly lose our roots. And that's so important and amazing. So believe it or not, having Italian roots really does help you learn the language faster. Another thing, numero due, is that you notice little Italian aspects of everyday life because it's who you are. Say for an example, one day you go to an Italian bakery. You look at the window and you decide that you want to get tiramisu. And then one day you actually learn from the baker or some friend that tiramisu actually means pick me up in Italian. And that throughout Italy, you might see a little child say to their parent, tiramisu, tiramisu, meaning pick me up. And so just by making that connection, you're able to learn and have the experiences as well that really connect you to the culture. Or maybe you remember your mother or your father or your nonna or nonno saying something in Italian or doing something like having Sunday night dinners with the whole family. And you remember how you wanted to be a part of that so much. And as you got older, the traditions died out. Learning Italian and your passion for it and those traditions and those memories bring back those good times and even let the people around you have those good times and share in that as well. It's in those moments of constantly learning and applying all those memories to your life that makes learning Italian so much more meaningful and so much better. And that is when real learning happens. If you have Italian heritage and this is resonating with you, please comment down below. It means the world to me, and let's share all about our favorite Italian memories below. Numero tre. A real advantage to learning Italian when you have the heritage yourself is that your personal relationships thrive. So by learning Italian when you have the heritage yourself, you're not just going to Italy, when you do go to Italy, you're not just going to Italy to practice speaking the language or to see some sights. You're going there to actually be able to communicate with people and make connections with people and build relationships with people. In turn, you'll be that much more tuned in to wanting to know more and what words mean and how to properly pronounce words. Which, by the way, I have a free pronunciation guide. I'll put that link in the description below, so check that out if you need help with pronunciation. What I mean here is that you're trying to express yourself in such a way where you can actually build a relationship with somebody and tell stories not just about your life, but they can tell stories about their life to you as well. So you're expressing your Italian heritage and sharing and immersing yourself in that culture. So all in all, you're getting that full-on immersion. And by building these relationships, you'll learn that it's quickly like a snowball effect, and you'll get more and more motivated to learn more Italian and be able to share your stories and your heritage. And in the end, it just gives you more motivation to learn, and the cycle keeps on going. So it's easy for me to say that learning Italian really changed my life, not only because I get to speak with my family now, which is incredible, and words can't describe how amazing that is, but also because I have the community around me to speak Italian to and communicate with and build those relationships with as well. And I do this through the online program that I founded called the Italian Toolkit Program. Inside that program, we teach you how to become conversational in Italian. We include worksheets, lessons, a community, everything you would really need just to immerse yourself in the heritage that much more and actually enjoy learning Italian. If you want to join us or you just want to get a bit more information on it, you can click the link in the description below and book a call with me and see how we can make it fit. We'll chat about how you can become conversational in Italian and embrace your heritage as well. I hope this video motivated you just as much as it motivates me. And if you're ever feeling lost or down, or that learning Italian is just getting too hard or the grammar is too much, you can watch this video as many times as you need to remember that you have a deeper purpose for this. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I post new lessons. I'll be back next week, but if you want to keep going and watch my next lesson right now, you can watch that right here. Grazie per aver guardato, ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao!